Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. I'm Miriam, your local tourist guide and resident expert right here in the absolutely beautiful city of Granada. Now, if you're planning a trip our way, the Alhambra is without a doubt at the very top of your must-see list. I mean, it's an internationally renowned jewel and one of the most visited monuments in the world for a reason. But as you probably discovered by now, trying to figure out how to actually buy tickets online can be, well, incredibly confusing. There's just so much mixed information out there. So take a deep breath because you can stop worrying right now. I put together this quick, hassle-free guide to show you exactly how to secure your official Alhambra tickets directly with absolutely zero stress.
Okay, let's dive right into this. To keep things super efficient, we're going to cover just 3 simple things today. First, Alhambra access. Second, your visit options. And third, the 5 official steps to actually get those tickets.
Starting with Section 1. Alhambra access. This is all about the direct route, completely cutting out the middlemen. You know, the internet is just flooded with third-party websites, resellers, and really confusing ads that make buying a ticket seem like this highly exclusive, complicated process. We're going to clear that up right away. The absolute most crucial thing to remember is this. There is only one official source, and that's the Patronato de la Alhambra website. Whether you're a solo backpacker, a massive tour operator, or a local guide like me, every single person has equal access to this official platform, and the rules are exactly the same for everyone. So if you're browsing around and you see sites flashing these really urgent, high-pressure messages offering immediate confirmation at a huge markup, just ignore them. Honestly, those are just traps designed to confuse you. Accessing the official website is completely free, it's super straightforward, and it is literally the only place you need to be. Moving on to Section 2. Visit options. Because before you buy, you've got to choose your ideal experience. So now that you know exactly where to go, let's talk about what you're actually buying. Because the Alhambra isn't just one single building, it's a massive, sprawling complex with completely distinct areas. The most popular choice by a landslide is the Alhambra General ticket. I highly recommend this one for first-time visitors because it gets you into the entire complex. The stunning Nasrid palaces, the gorgeous gardens of the general life, and the historic Alcazaba fortress. It's the whole shebang. If you want something a bit different, there's the gardens and Alcazaba ticket. But heads up, this one does not include the Nasrid palaces. Then there are the magical night visits, where you can see either the palaces or the gardens beautifully illuminated after dark. It is totally a feast for the senses. And finally, the Doble de Oro. This is a fantastic option if you've got a bit more time, because it bundles the full Alhambra complex with access to historic Hispano-Andalusian monuments down in the Albaicin neighborhood.
All right, Section 3, the 5 official steps. Let's get your tickets sorted in under 5 minutes.
We know where to go and we know what to buy. Now, let's execute. Here is the high-level roadmap of the 5 official steps. It might sound like a lot at first glance, but I promise you, if you just follow this logical flow, you'll have those tickets sitting in your inbox in less than 5 minutes. The progression goes site, type, time, info, and payment. Let's break these down so you don't hit any unexpected roadblocks. So, step 1 is simple. Just pull up the official Alhambra Patronato website. For step 2, you're going to see a list of those 9 visit types we were just chatting about. You'll select your choice, which is probably going to be the Alhambra General ticket. Right after that, you just tell the system how many tickets you need. Now, quick pause here. Pay really close attention if you're traveling with your family. You absolutely must note the ages of any children. Kids under 12 years old actually get free admission, which is amazing. But, and this is a big but, you still have to select a ticket for them during the step, and you'll need to bring their physical documentation, like a passport, on the actual day of the visit, just to verify their age at the gate.
Okay, moving to step 3, you'll get a calendar to pick your month and day. But here is, without a doubt, the most critical detail of this entire process. You are going to be asked to select a specific time. You really need to know that this exact time is specifically and strictly for your entry into the Nasrid palaces. It's not the time you enter the general grounds, it's the exact minute you need to be standing right in front of the Nasrid palaces, ready to walk in. You can explore the rest of the monument, like the gardens and the fortress, either before or after this time. But for the palaces, your punctuality has to be spot on.
Now for step 4, entering your visitor data. This system is going to ask for the buyer's email, but way more importantly, it requires the name, surname, and ID or passport number for every single person in your group. You can't just slap the buyer's name on all 5 tickets. It doesn't work that way. The system actually generates a unique, personalized QR code on each ticket based on that specific person's ID number. So, when you show up on the day of your tour, every single person has to have their physical, original ID or passport in hand to prove who they are at the gate. No photocopies allowed. Your ID is literally your key to get in. And finally, the home stretch, step 5. You just choose your payment method, process the transaction, and you're done. Almost instantly, you'll see an email confirmation pop up with your official tickets and those super important QR codes. You can print them out if you like, having a physical copy, or just keep them safely saved on your phone. See? You successfully navigated the system. So, you've got your tickets secured. What comes next? Well, just walking through the Alhambra is beautiful on its own, sure. But to truly understand its history, uncover its secrets, and feel its magic, that really requires a local expert. I would absolutely love to help you plan the visit of your dreams. So, consider this my warm invitation to take your trip to the absolute next level by booking a private, tailor-made 3-hour tour with me. We'll explore the complex completely at your own pace, creating an exclusive experience you'll never forget.
Again, I'm Miriam Tourist Guide, your dedicated local expert right here in Granada. I really hope this explainer has empowered you to go out and easily grab those official Alhambra tickets. Planning a trip is supposed to be fun, right? Not stressful. If you want to dive deeper into the incredible history of Al-Andalus with me on a specialized 3-hour tour, please don't hesitate to reach out. So, now that the logistics are totally out of the way, which secret corner of the Alhambra are you most excited to discover first?